So this is the pack and play that we use when our granddaughter comes, and it's been really nice to have. There's several things that I like about it. First of all, if you get down here a little closer, you can see this is like a mesh netting. So when she's laying in there, she doesn't get too hot because you can tell it's on all four sides around. So she can see out, but also she's getting air through this mesh. And then she's also getting to where she's trying to stand up. So all the way around it has this little padding at the top so she doesn't like fall against it or anything like that. And then at the bottom, it just has this cushion, which is super nice. And then when you get ready to fold it up, you just pick it up and then take it out and it folds up nicely. It has these little buttons on this side all the way around actually. And on the corners, and all you do is just push those in, and when you do, that collapses, goes down, and then it folds up into just like you would fold a lawn chair up. It just folds up nicely, and it's easy to store. The other thing I like is you can tell it has wheels on it, and then it has like a middle piece for support, and then this end is just to keep it sturdy. So it's easy to move. You just pick up this end and then kind of wheel it if you wanted to move it to a different location. But it's just been really nice to have because we don't have an extra bed for her, and it's portable to pick up. So I just thought I would show it to you if you're thinking about getting one. We really like ours, and I would highly recommend it.